In conversations with customers, the way we respond to complaints builds or breaks trust. Every complaint is an opportunity to show care and professionalism. Two important patterns to master are, "I apologize for," and "let me help you." These phrases transform a negative moment into a respectful and helpful exchange. A sincere apology shows that you respect the customer's feelings and understand their situation. It helps calm frustration and rebuild confidence. When a customer says, for example, that their delivery was delayed, a good response would be, "I apologize for the delay. I understand how inconvenient that must have been." The goal is to show empathy, not excuses. The phrase, "I apologize for," is an elegant way to take responsibility. It tells the listener that you are aware of the problem and want to make it right. Be specific when using it, polite in tone, and avoid repeating the apology too many times. For example, say, "I apologize for the mistake on your order. Thank you for letting me know." This sounds polite and calm while keeping the focus on action. When using "I apologize for," start with the phrase, then clearly name what went wrong. Next, acknowledge how it affected the customer. Finally, offer help or a solution. For example, you might say, "I apologize for the delay. I will make sure your order reaches you as soon as possible." This structure keeps your response kind, professional, and complete. An apology alone is not always enough. After saying, "I apologize for," move quickly toward action. This turns sympathy into real support. Instead of only saying, "I apologize for the inconvenience," add what you can do. For instance, say, "I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me help you check what's causing the issue." This shows commitment to solving the problem. The phrase, "let me help you," changes the tone from sorry to supportive. It reassures the listener that their concern is important and that you will act. You can say, "Let me help you check your order details," or "Let me help you reset your password." Such statements sound confident and sincere. They guide the conversation towards solving the problem rather than just acknowledging it. The most effective responses blend empathy with action. Begin with "I apologize" to show you understand the issue, and follow with "Let me help you" to show that you are ready to resolve it. For example, if the customer says their package arrived damaged, you could say, "I apologize for that. Let me help you arrange a replacement right away." This approach is polite, complete, and reassuring. When responding to complaints, always show empathy first, then take action. Start by acknowledging the issue clearly, apologize sincerely, and offer help immediately. Keep your tone confident and kind. For example, say, "I apologize for the mix-up. Let me help you get this corrected right now." This short, simple reply shows that you care and that you are taking responsibility to fix the problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.